Before scaffolds are handed over, an admin user will need to configure the handover settings. Here they can highlight whether the user performing the handover is greater than the specified distance away from the scaffold. Use the arrows to change the distance, or type a number into the box. Then specify the units to use. They will also need to go into the scaffold settings and check whether a handover is performed after a build is completed. Go to the map screen and click on the scaffold to be erected. We will move this scaffold from awaiting build to awaiting handover. This will happen when the build is completed. Select the status and then select Handover Scaffold. We can see that we are performing the handover a distance greater than 50 meters away from the scaffold. Select the result. Enter a comment into the comment box. Select the scaffold representative and provide their signature. Repeat this for the handover recipient. Answer any handover questions. Some of these questions may be mandatory and are created in the global settings. When done, click OK. The scaffold will be in the standing status. If we go to the handover screen, we will be able to see our handover. Double-click on the handover to open its details.